Variables in Python. Whenever you attend the interview with respect to the Python, and whenever they ask the questions with respect to the Python, and they will ask some kind of basic questions like what is variables in Python. Okay, so for that what you can do is like you can just tell them like variable in a Python is nothing but you can store anything in a variable, and you need not declare the type of the data what you are storing in the variable. Okay, so for example, if I just take an example, I will just give it as name is equal to, and I will just give it as Robin. Okay, so now I will try to run this particular cell. Okay, so we have declared the variable by name, and we have given it as, and we have stored the variable as Robin. Okay, and if I want to uh, take the printout of that what is stored in that variable, means we just use it, the name of the variable, and you can just run it. Okay, I will take one more example, and sports is equal to hockey. Okay, so we have declared one more variable by name sports, and we have stored the value hockey in it. Okay, so now I will try to run it. So now you can just see the printout, or you can just see the output of the sports what is stored in the variable. Sorry, sports. Okay, you can also store the numbers as well as the string, or you can store anything. You can store the list, or you can store the tuples, whatever it may be in the variable. Okay, so now let's try to store some kind of elements by name list. So I will just declare the variable underscore some example. So here I will give some kind of elements 21, 32, 36, 45. Okay, so we have declared the variable by name list underscore example, and we have stored some values in it. And now if I want to see the output of it, okay, so this is how you can just explain the variables in a Python by taking these examples. Like the interviewer or the interview panelist will be convinced with your answer, and if they ask you any kind of cross questions, just try to answer them and be prepared for those kind of answers. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video, follow for more.